Evidently this tree's got a bird in it. But welcome to hello everyone, welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. Just show you what I did today. Look, the first swarm up. They are going in and out. They have not left. They have a little bit of liquid feed on them, and we're going to come to the front of this box here and see what we got in here. A little bit of Appy tablet, a little piece of Appy tablet in there. Try to help out with them a little bit. I haven't looked at them. This is usually party foul situation here. Usually want to let them sit in here for a few days. They've been in here a couple days. A couple dead bees in the bottom. What are we doing, ladies? What are we doing? Look here. Bees over on the new Man Lake Foundation. It's nice. Trying not to get stung today. Let me see if I can move this bit of Appy tablet here over for them. There you go, girls. A little bit of supplement for you, sugar. See what we got going on here. Oh, hey, foundationless frame. What are you ladies doing? Look at that. They've already drawn comb, guys. This had no comb on it. There's comb right there. Look at that. Beautiful, ladies. Great job. Appreciate your hard work and effort. These girls are not going anywhere. Of course, unless I mess it up. Now, I got to move this Appy tablet that I just put over there. Whoop, that one just went to the bottom. No problems with that, no worries. Let's see what we got on the piece of comb that we put in right in the middle. Pretty nice bees so far. Of course, unless I pinch one. Oh, that's pretty heavy. Wow, that's really heavy. That is really heavy. I'm going to set you guys right down here. Wow, is that ever heavy. They've already started putting some nectar in this comb. I'm just trying to see if I can visually see a queen. Let's see if I can. Very nice. They are storing nectar in there. Still have not seen a queen, guys. And we've got Mama. All right, I'm gonna put her right back in. And let's check the other man with the right cell. They are working a bit, but not too much. Let me go ahead and get them back in the order they were. And could always take a sting doing this, but right now there's a bee. There we go, standing in the way. There we go. These pro nukes are sometimes, I love pro nukes, guys. However, sometimes that little piece at the bottom there is not the best. I'm just making sure my frames are tight so they don't start any wonky comb. But at the bottom where the pro nuke is tapered here, sometimes can bring you issues. So let's do this. Sugar water. I'll give them a little bit of sugar water there on top. Close them back up. I'm gonna flip that bottle back in there and let them, they figured it out. I'm just waiting on some pollen to start coming in, but they look like they're doing all right in there. The other one seemed a bit smaller, and I opened them up earlier than I probably should have. But we can take a peek just because we're on YouTube. If we weren't on YouTube, I probably wouldn't do this at all. Yep, they're gonna start coming out this side. Let's see if we can open this side up without getting zapped. Yeah, they're starting to come out. We'll just leave them. I don't have the gloves on, but they are definitely let's see. All right, couple bees in the top here. Got one smash victim down there, and then we've got them on the cluster. So let's see if we can. I'm standing right in front of another little hive. Not many bees on that one. Some really bad comb on this frame. Nice fuzzy bees. Hey girls. Girl walking on my hand. Pretty gentle. Taken off by me messing with them, but they are chewing on the appy tablet. I broke one appy tablet in half, each a little piece. There, let's put that, move that over for them. Girls landing on me. Hey ladies. I don't see a queen doing anything there. I think they're just trying to surgically repair this frame, which is good. Pretty good right there. We'll set that one down. This black frame here was in fact an old brood comb, which is the frame that I put in there to try to anchor them. And it did have some pollen in it. There she is. There's a virgin right there. If you see her, virgin queen. She might be mated. She's kind of small. But they're trying to get it right. I like the foundationless frames for swarms. See what's on the last frame in here. Just girls working away here. Well, I probably didn't want to blow on it, but it looks like they're doing their best to get things started here. Let's put that back in. I believe they would prefer a foundationless frame in there because of the festooning ability, but I'm going to set it up like that. Then I'm going to take this Appy tablet to the best of my ability, put it right on top of them there. Then I'm going to do the same thing I was doing, is I'm going to take some of this, squirt them a little bit of sugar water on there, close them back up. We're just going to flip the little syrup feeder on there. Good to go, girls. Way to go. Just need them some pollen in there. This one's got a frame with some pollen on it, so they should be good. But hopefully they stay there. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to make a short video to give you an update on the swarm. Doing good, even though you see it's kind of cloudy, sun's trying to poke through, but that's what we got. Anyway, thanks for watching Walker Bee Ranch, and we'll see you on the next live or video. Have a good day.